What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some updates regarding SeedFi. Specifically, we're going to be focusing on the Borrow and Grow plan. Now, the Borrow and Grow plan, the way I like to look at it, it's a combination between a traditional credit builder loan as well as an actual loan. So you will get some upfront proceeds, but you won't get the whole amount. And then you'll make payments as if you're paying the full amount of the loan. And at the end of the loan term, you will get a portion of your proceeds back. So it's a way for you to be able to borrow as well as grow your savings at the same time. So traditional loans are a short-term solution that often create a long-term problem. The Borrow and Grow plan is a low interest loan with built-in savings account. So you're set up for a better future as soon as you pay it off. You can access up to $4,000 or less. Checking your offer will not impact your credit score whatsoever. So just to kind of recap, SeedFi is a fintech startup that provides financial products to underserved Americans. SeedFi has raised $69 million in funding in over 3 rounds, their latest funding round being raised back in February 17th of 2021. Now, in terms of the rate, so you can access up to $4,000, so a minimum of $300 all the way up to $4,000. So this is the amount of proceeds that you would actually get as a result of closing on the loan. Now, the loan amount is going to be higher than what you're going to be actually accessing immediately. The savings can range from $650 up to $4,000. So the total loan amount is going to range from a minimum of $1,200 all the way up to $7,000. So for example, if you get a $7,000 loan, you're not actually going to get $7,000 in cash. You're going to get a portion of that in cash, and then the rest is going to be locked up in a savings account. And at the end of the loan term, you'll get the remaining balance funded back to you. So that's basically how it works. The APR is going to range anywhere from 7.42 to 29.99%. There's a finance charge anywhere from $124 all the way up to $2,238. And the payments can range anywhere from $40 to $160 every 2 weeks. And they have terms that range from a minimum of 8 months all the way out to 43 months, which is a little over 3.5 years. Now, here's an example of a Borrow and Grow plan. So it's a $4,000 loan. So this is what is actually going to report on your credit profile. So it's going to report that you have a $4,000 loan. However, you're only going to get $2,000 up front, and the other $2,000 is going to be set aside. Once the loan is paid off, you'll get the other $2,000 back, but you're going to make payments as if you owe the entire $4,000. So in this scenario, the payments are going to be $80 every 2 weeks. This has a 26.99 APR, and the plan is for 33 months. Now, this is just a scenario, but this is basically how it would break down. You get a portion of the proceeds up front. The other part of the proceeds are held in a savings account. That's why it's Borrow and Grow, right? So you get $2,000 up front out of the $4,000, and then the other $2,000 is for savings. So the total loan amount is going to be the savings plus access now. So the access now is the $2,000, the savings is the $2,000. So the total loan amount is going to be $4,000. So just remember, on your credit report, when this account shows up, it's going to report as a $4,000 loan, even though you only got $2,000 immediately. The remaining $2,000 at the end of the loan term. Now, the Borrow and Grow plans do have late fees, so if you don't make your payment on time, but they actually deposit those fees into your SeedFi savings account, and you get them back when you repay the loan. So there's no application fee, there's no early repayment fee, no annual fee, phone payment fee, or origination fee. Now, again, there is a late fee, but when you pay the late fee, it goes into your savings and you get it back at the end. SeedFi has helped thousands of customers get access to much needed funds, especially in an emergency or during the pandemic. As you can see from some of the testimonials right here, having access to the SeedFi Borrow and Grow plan not only help people get access to be able to pay for emergency expenses or just to cover their short-term bills, but also to build their credit at the same time, as well as build up their savings. Now, since the last time we did a review on SeedFi, they're now available in a lot more states. So you can go on this page right here. I've pinned it in the description of the video to see if your state is one of the states where you can actually get access to the SeedFi products. So it's going to be available in most states. I don't see my state, Maryland, but I do see a lot of other states, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, Ohio. So most of the large states, this is going to be available in, and I think it's probably available in almost every state, most of the prominent states, California. So definitely check this out, see if it's available in your state. Now, once you're ready to apply, all you got to do is select this button right here, check for your offer. And again, checking your offer is not going to affect your credit score. Now, I did want to share some data points. Now, they will be using your TransUnion credit report in order to qualify you for the Borrow and Grow plan. Now, in terms of the credit score range to get approved, you want to be at least at a 550 TransUnion credit score. Now, that doesn't guarantee that you're going to get approved because they will consider other factors, but at a minimum threshold, that's probably where you want to be, at around a 550 or higher. I also just wanted to reiterate, to check your offer, it's not going to impact your credit score, but once you accept the offer, then it will be a hard pull on your credit. So if anyone's interested in applying, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. Let me know your comments and questions in the comment section down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.